Welcome students in the lecture of Razurkar English classes, and today we are going to learn 12th State Board syllabus 4.2. In 4.2 there is given a novel To Serve with Love. To Serve with Love, it is an autobiography, means Atmacharitra, by the writer Brithwaite, E.R. Brithwaite. It is E.R. Brithwaite's autobiography. And what is autobiography? Autobiography means about his life, his experiences in his life. He explained in his autobiography. And in this autobiography, actually only one chapter is given in the novel, which is given for our study. Okay, To Serve with Love. To Serve with Love. Why this title is given? When you will learn whole the lesson, at last you will understand why this name is given to this autobiography. Here it is very important we see that in this novel he has just given his experience about the discrimination about the black and white people. The discrimination means bhedbhav in black and white people in England actually. And basically E.R. Brithwaite was an engineer, and in early stage of his life, when he completed his engineering, he worked as an engineer in an oil refinery. Then he worked as a officer in the Royal British Air Force. He worked as an officer. But when he was in Air Force, he felt that there is no discrimination. He was treated as a Britisher. But after the Second World War, after the stop the World War, and he left the job or retired from the job of Air Force, and later on he was searching a job in London city. But when he was in London and searching the job, but he felt that cause of his black color, only cause of his black color, no one is ready to give him job as an engineer. At last, actually he was forced by the condition. Actually, he was forced by the condition in London, and there was an advertisement of a teacher's job, and he applied, and the school name was the Green Salad School, the school East End of London. The school East End of London. In that Green Salad School, he accepted as a job of teacher. But there also his difficulties never stopped. Even there also his difficulties never stopped. Because what happened actually, in which school he has accepted job as a teacher, all the students were white. All the students were white colored students, and they also had a discrimination in their minds about the black people. And actually, Brithwaite was a black person. Actually, Brithwaite was a black person. And so, what happened? All these students were very ridiculous, very disrespectful students, very rude students, and all these students were rejected from every school of the London city, and they got admission only in Green Salad School, all the students from London. All the students from London city who were rejected from all other schools, because these students were very ridiculous, very disrespectful to the teachers. So that's why when Brithwaite entered in the school, he experienced the all students are very disrespectful. They speak very rude manner. They speak with Brithwaite with a very rude manner. But in the beginning, Brithwaite also felt that. Brithwaite also felt that he should behave with them in the same manner. And he also started to behave with them in the same manner. Disrespecting them, abusing them. Okay, annoying on all the students. But within few days he understood in which way he is behaving with his students. It is making no effect. It is making no effect on the students. Then he changed his all techniques. Then he changed his all behavior with the students. He thought that if they behave with me rudely, if they behave with me with disrespect, no, I would not reply them in the same manner. I will respect them. He applied the different technique. The students were behaving disrespectfully, but Brithwaite was speaking them. The boys he calling as sir, and the senior girls, because he was given a senior class of the school, and all the senior students were there in the class, and the boys he was calling as sir, and the girls he was calling as miss. But he felt that within few weeks, his behavior, his technique of talking with them with respect, automatically it changed their behavior. It changed their total behavior, and also they started to respect Brithwaite also. But actually this is the background of the story. Background of the extract which is given in our novel. What is given actually in the extract? This is the background, because it should be given to you. Otherwise you would not understand what is the story perfectly, because it is a story of only one day program. What is the program? It is the program after the Easter. There is a festival Easter. After the Easter means 6 months, their report presenting student council program. Means in student council program they have to present their 6 months report. What are the reports? Whatever the students have studied, different type of subjects. And the date of that program is fixed, that is 15th November. The program of the student council, presenting program of the student council, the 6 months report. What would be there? It is a function. In that function, every class, each class, they have decided some their representatives, and each representative has one subject. Whatever subject they have for their class, and each subject has one representative, and that representative should have to come over the stage and present their reports. It was the basically program, and in this program, actually the main role was two students who were those Miss Joseph and Denham, the senior students of the class. These two students, and they were representing the program. They were representing means what we say, anchoring. These two students, Miss Joseph and Denham, senior students, they were presenting the program, they were anchoring the program. Okay, and actually in the program they sat on the stage. These two students, Miss Joseph and Denham, sat on the stage, and between them there was headmaster, and headmaster's name was Florin. Mr. Florin was headmaster of the school. First of all, the Mr. Florin stood up and addressed all the students. At 10 o'clock there was a bell, and very randomly in a queue, they all students come to the auditorium hall, and that auditorium hall, the program was arranged. All students sat in front of the stage. On the stage, only three persons who were there, only Joseph, Denham, and between them was Mr. Florin. Mr. Florin stood up and he addressed to the school, all the students, all the teachers, and he expressed his views about the aims and whatever plans they have to develop the school, what are the aims of the school which they have to achieve, and also he appreciated about the arrangement of all this program, who have taken the great efforts to arrange this program. He mentioned everything and he has some meetings. So that's why in a great applause he left the place and he went away. Then the program started. How the program started? It was started with the lower class. Lower class means the younger students in those students has only 12 years old. Those students were only 12 years old, and basically these students were very young, so that's why they had some fear. They could not have proper management, so that's why they made their whatever reports are in a very brief, very shortly they mentioned everything and wind up their reporting. Okay, wind up their total reporting one by one. Every class, their representative come over the stage. Okay, and Miss Joseph and Denham was calling the names of the representatives, and the program was in a flow. And at last the senior class. At last came the number of senior class, that is the class of Braithwaite. All students of Braithwaite class. And Braithwaite class students, their names were Miss Joseph and Denham. Then the Miss Joseph, she was presenting, Miss Joseph presented the subject. What was her subject? Interdependency of mankind. She explained interdependency. means how the